Most homeowners have a checklist of annual chores they attend to at certain times of the year. In the spring, you might refresh your home and yard with some extra cleaning. In the fall, winterizing helps keep your home cozy and weather-tight. The majority of US homes have central air conditioning, which usually includes a large outdoor metal cabinet that houses your system's compressor and a fan. Especially if you just had a new unit installed, you may have wondered if you should be protecting it with a cover during the off-season. This seems like a good idea, right? Covering or wrapping your unit does protect it from rain and snow, sticks, pine cones, and other plant debris. But in fact, major air conditioning manufacturers do not recommend covers for air conditioners. And heat pumps, which run year-round, should never be covered, as this creates a fire hazard. Covering your air conditioner increases the chance that excess moisture may stand in the unit and may cause rust, corrosion, frozen parts, or mold issues. Trapped moisture could also affect the electrical wiring connections, and circuit boards in your outdoor unit. Rain actually helps clear out debris from your outdoor unit that collects throughout the year. A covering may invite mice or other small rodents seeking refuge from the cold to nest in your unit. Once inside, they will leave droppings or chew on wires. And if you accidentally turn on the AC without remembering to uncover it first, you may be in for an expensive repair. The cover blocks airflow, causing pressure to rise quickly, burning out the compressor. Sensible, routine maintenance is a better approach to keeping your HVAC system working well. Keep the area surrounding your condenser clear by cleaning around it on a regular basis. Cut away vegetation and clean any animal droppings that may attract wildlife. If you feel you absolutely must cover your AC, use a piece of plywood that fits the top of your unit. This provides protection from falling snow or ice while still allowing moisture to evaporate. When it comes to HVAC systems, properly maintained equipment operates more efficiently and lasts longer. The HVAC maintenance plan from Eyman Plumbing, Heating and Air is a great way to save money on your HVAC maintenance and ensure that your systems are in proper working order for optimal efficiency.